Can taking MCT oil actually help you burn more fat? Let's answer that question. What is MCT oil? Well, it's medium chain triglycerides. It's a type of fat that can come from various things, coconuts, palm oil. There's even medium chain triglycerides in butter. But you can actually just buy MCT oil, which is concentrated MCT oil. What's unique about it is that it bypasses the gallbladder and bile and enzymes. So you take it, it goes in your stomach, it goes through the small intestine, and it gets absorbed in the small intestine into the lymphatic system, and it's then transported right to the liver, which is converted to ketones. Okay, fairly quick. Now, MCT oil is not normally stored as fat. Potentially, you could store some if you took enough of it, but not normally. It's used as energy. MCT oil can suppress fat accumulation. It can also increase your metabolism compared to other fats. And it will not make your liver fat. So can it help you actually burn more fat? Not directly, but indirectly, yes. Why? Because MCT oil allows you to fast longer. So if you just started intermittent fasting and you have a hard time going from one meal to the next, like 3.5 hours, and you start taking MCT oil and you're able to skip a breakfast or skip a snack and you can fast longer, that's going to help you lose more weight because you are not eating so frequently, and that's going to keep insulin low. Also, in addition to that, MCT oil suppresses hunger. So you're not going to snack as often. So yes, it can help you burn more fat, but indirectly. Hey, before you go real quick, I have a course entitled How to Bulletproof Your Immune System. It's a free course. I want you to take it. And here's why. Here's you. Here is your environment. Everyone is focused on this over here, avoiding your environment. But what about here? What about strengthening your immune system? That's what's missing. This course will show you how to bulletproof yourself, and so you can tolerate and resist your environment much better by strengthening your own immune system. I put a link down in the description right down below. Check it out and get signed up today.